So what is a value stream? So I suppose it's an end-to-end process which delivers a product or service to a customer. So if you think about it, flow of information, the flow of a product, the flow of a service is horizontal. It goes from one function to another, passed on. There's handshakes, there's interdependencies, there's all this type of stuff. However, you have all these guys with all their own agendas managing their own little silo. And what happens there is you have inefficiencies, you have communication issues, you have customer complaints, you have productivity issues, you have power struggles, and essentially the customer isn't serviced as effectively as they can. And that was within our battles culture. I would say most cultures are the same. I've done a bit of study on this. So the key would be to get some form of a structure that you can manage it horizontally, and all that goes with that, which there's a lot of politics, a lot of stuff that you have to deal with. So what we did was we took the first value stream, we did a series of workshops, so I facilitated. I found that approximately 80% of resources spent their time firefighting, as in most organisations. Some guys would never see each other during the day, they just talk to each other by email and call each other different names in email when things blew up. It was ineffective, it was leading to customer issues, and one very big one. We had one very big one at one stage, we nearly lost our sight because of communication, because of sub-optimization, because of one function improving its own metrics and with disregard to the organisational and business metrics. So, has anyone seen any of that type of stuff in their own organisation? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, like purchasing, getting a lovely new material that doesn't work but it's cheap. Meeting their budget. Yeah. So we've all seen it, and it does happen. So the future state of value stream management then would be to shift the resources from just the problem solving to planning and preventing problems. You want to increase your intellectual capital, process knowledge and decision making. So these are engagement tools. One thing about engagement that we were talking about earlier, you can't really get engaged in anything if you don't know how to do it. And if you don't have the right information to make the right decisions, otherwise you'll be disengaged pretty quickly. So, very, very key part of engagement is allowing people seeing the full flow, how the interdependencies, and I measured all these interdependencies, and I'll show you how they're later. Okay. So, just going back into just giving a little bit of background on a lot of the training there we have there, the 55 green belts. With us train 75, 20 have obviously gone. Moved on to different companies.